MacBook, the most important question asked by each and every student and parent who wants to join Newton School of Technology. So hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about MacBook being provided by Newton School of Technology. I have received 5 to 6 questions about it. Today I will be answering all of them. So question 1. Does NST actually give students a MacBook? Yes, NST provides MacBook to students right at the beginning of their btech journey. And the MacBook stays with us throughout all 4 years and whenever you want. Question number 2. Do we have to pay extra money for it? No. The cost is already included in the course fee unless you want to upgrade it. We'll talk about that shortly. Question number 3. Is it compulsory? Yes, the MacBook is compulsory. Newton School of Technology's basic idea over here is why build large uncomfortable labs when we can provide students their own personal lab. So they provided personal laptop for us so that we can study wherever we are, even in hostels, even at home, not only in college. So here comes the fourth question. What are the specs and model of the MacBook? My MacBook is a MacBook Pro with an M3 chip, 8GB RAM and 512GB SSD storage. I'll tell you about the other available options in just a bit. Do we get to choose options in different models? Yes, we do have options. For example, my MacBook is a MacBook Pro M3, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD in space grey color. The other option was a MacBook Pro with an M3 Pro chip, 16GB RAM, 512GB SSD, which comes in space black color. Question number 5. Is the same model given every year? No. Every batch student gets the latest model available. For example, our seniors received the MacBook Pro M2, we got the M3s, and the juniors will get the M4 model, and so on. Is the MacBook ours to keep or do we have to return it later? The MacBook is completely ours. Even after 4 years, we don't have to return anything. But there are a few regulations, like you can't sell it or exchange it for another laptop during the first 4 years. After that, it's entirely yours. You can do whatever you want. Last question. Is there any tracker or monitoring software installed on the MacBook? No. It's a completely personal device. It's completely yours until the end of 4 years. Like after the 4 years also you can use it, but as I said, you can't sell or exchange it for the 4 years. So friends, that was the complete breakdown of MacBook provided by NST. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. And there is an offer. If you want to join NST or write NST exam, which is an entrance test for joining Newton School of Technology, the usual registration fee is 1200 rupees. But if you use my coupon code mentioned in my link below in the description, you will get flat 300 rupees off on the registration. So make sure to use it. Thank you.